one of the classic poems of English literature, Ode to a Nightingale by John Keats. This is my recitation of select excerpts of that poem. My heart aches and a drowsy numbness pains my sense, as though of hemlock I had drunk, or emptied some dull opiate to the drains. 1 minute passed, and leathwards had sunk. It's not thou envy of thy happy lot, but being too happy in thine happiness, that thou, light-winged dryad of the trees, in some melodious plot of beechen green and shadows numberless, sing'st of summer in full-throated ease. Forlorn, the very word is like a bell to toil me back from thee to my sole self. Adieu, the fancy cannot cheat so well as she is fain to do, deceiving elf. Adieu, adieu, the plaintive anthem fades past the near meadows, near the full stream, up the hillside, and now it's buried deep in the next valley glades. Was it a vision or a walking dream? Fled is that music. Do I wake or sleep? I wonder. Thank you.